Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an item in Blockbench. First, open Blockbench. Go to File, then select Plugins. In the plugin browser, search for Minecraft Item Wizard. Click the plugin and install it. This plugin allows you to create custom items easily. Once installed, start a new project and look for the plugin we just added. Select Create an Item. In the preset options, select any item to start. Enter the display name of the item. This is the name players will see in-game. Next, set the identifier. After that, you'll see the functionality settings. Here you can adjust how the item behaves, adjust this to your liking. You can freely choose the design if you want this to be in 2D or 3D when held. For exporting, you can either export the item to a development pack folder or integrate it into an existing pack. For this example, we'll export it to a folder. Don't forget to enter a pack name. After clicking Next, the item will be exported. Click Next again to open the item for editing inside Blockbench. You should also save the texture by right-clicking it in the Textures panel and selecting Save. And that's how to make an item in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.